At Dr. Cha's dental practice in Pasadena, we're dedicated to helping you achieve the smile you've always dreamed of with our top-quality dental implants. When it comes to restoring the full beauty and functionality of your smile, dental implants from Dr. Jennifer Cha stand out as the gold standard. The power of dental implants lies not just in their aesthetic appeal, but in their ability to restore your confidence. Beyond the practical benefits, dental implants promote long-term oral health by preventing bone loss and maintaining facial structure. Dr. Cha's commitment to excellence ensures that every implant procedure is carried out with precision, delivering life-changing results that stand the test of time. Contact us today at 626-577-7770 or visit our website to book an appointment or request a consultation. Your journey to a healthier, more confident smile begins here.